New York City.
Photographer?
New York.
Ah, daerah data sini.
Where and us?
New York.
The professor?
Kata lagi gua tuh.
New York City. New York City.
Tunggu tak kira.
So our journey began at 7 p.m. and we were headed to the train station. The excitement, as you have heard, was on a high. Yeah, so this is us driving to the train station. Nothing much to see.
Gak ada evakuasi oke kayak.
Acha nikimaliza kupea mtoto uji nitakuonyesha.
So apologies in advance because most of the language you'll hear in the video will be vernacular, but I'll try my best to translate or at least use subtitles. But yeah, also we are also a full house, okay, full car in this case, and I'm going to introduce each and every one of them later on in the video. And yeah, so here we are at the SGR station. Our train departure is at 10 p.m. but we got here around 9, and that allowed us time to, you know, check in, buy our tickets, and yeah, have enough relaxation before we boarded the train. So yeah. So this was the first time for the kids to be on the train, and they were really chill about it, if I can say that. And I would also advise, if it is the first time you're going on the train with your kids, I think it's best they go at night, because that way they will sleep for half the journey and they won't be, you know, anxious to get there and all these questions. But while coming back, I would also advise that they come during the day so that they can enjoy the outside, maybe see some elephants and such. So yeah, 5 hours later we were there and we were really excited, honestly.
I know. Umefika?
So we're finally here at the Mombasa terminus. It's 3:30 a.m. and as you can see, most of them were asleep. That is why the mood is like down like that. But basically these are our kids. So 3 of my sister's kids, 2 of my kids, and their cousins, because it's my sister's kids' birthday weekend. So we brought several cousins and ourselves to enjoy the vacation together as well as celebrate their birthdays. So yeah, so we're headed to the taxi bay. We have our transfer guy waiting for us on the other end. So here. Bow, bow.
Guy, tell you
National dress.
So there was a bit of a hitch when we got to our accommodation place because it was too early in the morning and people hadn't checked out. So we had to look for an alternative place to stay until around 10 a.m. so that we could move into our booked apartment. So our driver was kind enough to find a place for us where we went, had breakfast, grabbed a few hours of sleep before we headed to the beach. because the day had gone so far, so we couldn't do anything else for that day. We decided to just go to the beach, and these are the kids. And then unfortunately, the beach that was closest to our place of stay really had a lot of seaweeds, and yeah, that is what you can see. It's really not that, it's the leaves that grow, because I think the ocean there was really shallow, I don't know, or the water was far gone. I don't want to make the excuse, but yeah, that is why the leaves were too many. So this is our guy.
Kabodo. Ikaw baba. Yay. Unakaa aje sasa kwenu? Ona Kabodo. Guys. Umechoka? Umeenjoy? Umehave fun? Umesikiaje? Mimi? Oh. How are you? Umeenjoy maji? Naogopa? Ulikuwa nani?
Later in the afternoon I went to book to order some lunch for us, and yeah, so I went to this hotel, the Masai Coffee Shop. It's part of the Masai Beach Hotel, so yeah, that is where we ordered our lunch, and the view was amazing. I really don't like the seaweeds but anyway, it's what we had to work with. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to comment down below, leave a thumbs up, and yeah, enjoy with us.